If your outlet grounding wire is detached, it's super important to reattach it safely to avoid any electrical shocks or issues with your home's wiring. So, here's the thing. First, always make sure the power is off at the breaker before you touch anything. You don't want to risk getting zapped. Next, check the grounding wire itself. It should be a bare copper wire or green insulated wire connected to the outlet's grounding screw. If it's loose or detached, grab a screwdriver and tighten that screw firmly, but don't overdo it because you might strip the threads. If the wire is frayed or damaged, cut off the bad part and strip a fresh section to make a clean connection. Sometimes, outlets come with a grounding clip or metal frame where you can hook the wire, so look for that too. Once you've got it secured, gently push the outlet back into the electrical box and screw it in place. Finally, turn the power back on and use a simple outlet tester to make sure everything's grounded properly. Seriously, grounding is key for your home's safety, so don't skip these steps. One of the biggest mistakes folks make with outlet grounding wires is ignoring loose connections, which can cause shocks or even fires. Always tighten screws securely to fix that. Another common issue is using the wrong wire type or size. Make sure you're using the proper grounding wire, usually bare copper or green insulated, to keep things safe and up to code. The third mistake is not turning off the power before working on outlets, which is super dangerous. Flipping off the breaker and double-checking with a voltage tester fixes this risk straight away. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who need help finding trusted local contractors who know their stuff and get the job done right. It also helps contractors connect with people looking for their services so everyone wins.